Hello. I have a project that's going to be starting soon. I'm thinking I gotta start this. This is a mess. So today, what I'm doing today, I am going to be planting this wisteria. I'm planting it right by this arbor here, so that I'll have beautiful purple wisteria coming up, and then the beautiful yellow David Austin roses coming up here. So I think the purple and yellow will be really nice. Okay, so this is going to be an area. I just want to show you my next area that I'll be working on. I'm jumping from one project to another. I have this and I have this to finish and all of this to install. So this is where we're going. Am I confusing you? I'm confusing myself. I just want to do everything at the same time. So for today, I'm going to be planting that beautiful wisteria, and we'll just fast forward a bit. All right, so this plant, this shrub, this vine grows pretty big. The arbor is not set in yet. I need to dig this out, set them in nice and straight. And I will see. I asked for some help for that. I'll see if I can afford the work or if I gotta do it on my own. Check this out. I got this awesome edger. It's got teeth. It's got teeth. I gotta cut all that grass out. That means I gotta cut all that grass out. It's got teeth, but it's got no bite. There you go. All right, I'm just gonna go all around this. Okay, it's fine. I'm so happy. My dream has been this wisteria. This is my dream plant. And everyone's telling me, oh my God, you really have to take care of it. It's so invasive. It actually can grab onto the grass and then grow through the grass. Well, I think that, well, of course it's a vine. You gotta know it's a vine, right? But I think that any plant needs caring for. I don't know, maybe 10 years from now, I won't have the energy that I have like now, right? You know, in 10 years from now, I'll be 63. Oh my God, I can't believe I just said that. Oh, time flies. Where has my life gone? Time flies, guys. Okay, I got all of that dug up. I had a visit from that beautiful beetle. There's another one there, but not as big. Move around, hun. Come on, I don't want to hurt you. Okay, so let's dig a hole. I got all the dirt, got all the grass out. So the arbor is going to shift this way into that. And then I have to dig deeper. The arbor has to be in the ground because it needs to be a little more stable. I'll probably put rock in there. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but it needs to be stable. So I'm going to dig this hole. We can do some more fast forwarding. Come on, you got to reach the arbor. So I'm going to make a hole right here. Hello, little Japanese beetle. Hello, Japanese beetle. Are you the one eating all my plants? Well, you're disturbing my area. I might as well. Sorry, honey, but I have but no choice. I am building a beautiful haven here. I just love bumping in to little bugs and little worms and little buddies, you know. I love that. They're a part of gardening. A friend of mine, she doesn't garden because she says she's afraid. She's afraid of bugs and spiders. Ugh. Well, I think that's too bad. See, I have my scissors with me because I have my belt. I'm trying to be a smart gardener. And you know what? I had promised myself I wouldn't be working in full sun in the middle of the day. You can't keep me out of the garden. I'm gonna put a little bit of that. Start with this. Here, grab yourself a lot of this stuff. This stuff is so good for your roots there. I'm gonna move this over, make some space. All right, so I kind of, watch, I'm gonna show you. I kind of made like a rim around it. There'll be mulch in there, and I'll create the rim with the mulch also, and I'll take some of that dirt out. But right now I'm gonna just set it like this because I want to put water in it, and I want it to pool in there. So see how the water's just pooling in there? And if I see that I need to add a little more dirt also, I'll add more dirt. But for now, you need to give it a lot of water. And I'm gonna have to water it all summer, I guess. It says to water a lot. I am tired. I am going to go have something, like a little snack or something, and have some water because it's nice and hot. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and bye for now.